Hello. In this demo, I'll show how Activator can publish business events from a data warehouse. So every region's warehouse emits the same centrally managed event, triggering alerts, powering Eventhouse analytics, and lighting up a real-time dashboard. I'll start by creating a business event. I'll go to Real-Time Hub, then Business Events, and create one called Suspicious Transaction Detected. I'll add properties that describe a fraud alert, transaction amount, account ID, region, risk score, and detection reason. On the next step, I see Analyze in Eventhouse enabled by default, so every suspicious transaction event is automatically stored and query-ready right from the start. I'll click Create. Then, I'll set an alert on the business event and configure an email action. So when a suspicious transaction is detected, my fraud detection team gets an immediate notification. Even if our organization has warehouses across multiple regions, this one business event lets me define the alert centrally and have it apply everywhere. No duplicated logic. Next, I'll go to one of our regional data warehouses. It has a transactions table where our payment processing system loads every purchase, amount, merchant, region, account age, and risk score. I'll write a SQL query that looks for suspicious patterns, specifically transactions where the risk score exceeds 80, and I'll click the Create Rule button to trigger when that query is matched. And for the action, I'll choose Publish Business Event and select the Suspicious Transaction Detected event I just created. Then, I'll map the SQL query columns to the business event properties so each field flows through correctly when the event is published. Now I'll run my script to submit a transaction that crosses the risk threshold. The next time Activator evaluates the query, it finds the suspicious row, publishes the business event, and two things happen. My fraud detection team gets the alert, and the event lands in Eventhouse. From the business event page, I'll click through to the Eventhouse. All published events are here in a structured table. I'll write a KQL query that counts alerts across time and render it as a time chart, instantly showing the velocity of fraud alerts as they stream in. Then, I'll pin it to a real-time dashboard. The real-time dashboard auto-refreshes as new fraud events arrive, a live view of alert spikes across all regions. From a single warehouse condition, we've created a unified operational signal that triggers immediate action, powers deep analytics in Eventhouse, and gives the team a real-time dashboard they can monitor around the clock, all through one business event. Thanks for watching.